Hey guys, in today's news update we want to talk about the top 7 things to do to lower blood pressure. This is Arnold Brod at Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just text or call me at 609-410-4790, or you can leave a question in the comments section below. Now let's see what we have today. It is possible to maximize the blood pressure lowering ability of fruits and vegetables by doing these 7 things. Number 1, avoid sauces. Fruit and vegetable dishes with sauces contain a lot of fat, salt, and sugar. So steer clear if you want to reduce your blood pressure. Number 2, dried, frozen, and tinned products. Here's a warning. These products can be just as good as fresh fruits and vegetables, but you have to watch out for added salt, sugar, or fats. Number 3 is variety. Keeping your fruit and vegetable consumption mixed up can help cut blood pressure. Different fruits and vegetables have different health benefits, and it will keep your meals interesting. Number 4 is no added sugar or salt. Don't add sugar to fruit or salt to vegetables when you cook or serve them. Number 5, fruit smoothies. Make your fruit smoothies with lots of fresh fruit, and use low-fat milk or yogurt to help you lower blood pressure. Number 6, replace those sweet snacks. Instead of reaching for that cookie or chocolate bar, replace the sugary snacks with fruit-sweetened protein bars. And number 7, that's my favorite. You want to use nitric oxide therapy as delivered by ProRG9. This is what I use, and my last physical had my blood pressure at 116/68. You can see a great video on nitric oxide therapy at the link below this video. If you have any questions about the nitric oxide therapy video or any of my videos, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. And to be notified of new videos, just click the like button for this video and subscribe to my channel.